Hey everyone! Welcome back to Explodey FPS. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the critical process died blue screen error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're facing a blue screen with the message, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart, we're just collecting some error info and we'll restart for you. Don't worry, I'll help you resolve this issue. Start by right-clicking on your Start menu. Navigate to Shutdown or Sign Out, and, while holding the Shift key, click Restart. This will boot your system into the recovery environment. Step 2. Navigate to Command Prompt. In the Recovery menu, select Troubleshoot. Next, go to Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Choose your account from the list. I'll select mine for this demonstration. If you don't have a password, simply click Continue. Enter the following commands one by one. You'll also find them in the description and on the screen. bootrec/fixmbr. Hit Enter. bootrec/fixboot. Hit Enter. If you see Access Denied, move to the next command. bootsect/nt60sys. Hit Enter. bootrec/rebuildbcd. Hit Enter. sfc/scannow. Hit Enter. This will take time, so be patient. CHKDSK C:\right arrow. Hit Enter. This will also take some time to complete. Final steps. Once all commands are executed, close the command prompt. Click on Continue to restart your PC. If the issue was related to corrupted files or disk errors, your system should boot up normally without any blue screen errors. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Still facing issues? Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to assist. Till then, take care and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.